YouTube. Affiliate marketing, a plan to make $1,000 a month. YouTube affiliate marketing is an exciting way for people to make money online without having to do any work. You can build a long-term income stream that grows over time by using video content and affiliate partnerships in smart ways. Getting to $1,000 a month may seem like a big goal, but with the right plan and hard work, you can do it. This plan shows you the most important steps and strategies you need to take to turn your YouTube channel into a successful affiliate marketing machine. How YouTube affiliate marketing works. YouTube affiliate marketing is basically making videos that promote certain products or services and then putting affiliate links in the description of those videos. You get a commission when people click on these links and buy something. This plan works really well because it lets you get to know your audience, build trust, and give them useful advice. Picking a niche that will make you money. Choosing a profitable niche is the most important part of any successful affiliate marketing business. A niche is a small part of the market that has its own needs and wants. When picking a niche, think about these things. Passion. Choose a subject that you are really passionate about. This will make it more fun and easier to make content. Market demand. Find out how many people want the goods or services you want to sell. Find out what people are searching for and what keywords are popular by using tools like Google Trends or keyword research tools. Competition. Look at how much competition there is in your niche. It's important to pick a niche that has enough demand, but stay away from ones that are too crowded with well-known players. Profitability. Find out how much money your niche could make. Find goods or services that have a good commission rate and a high conversion rate. Some popular and profitable niches for YouTube affiliate marketing are tech reviews, reviewing the newest laptops, smartphones, and other gadgets. Beauty tutorials, giving tips on makeup, skincare, and products to use. Gaming, writing reviews of video games, talking about how to play them, and suggesting gaming accessories. Fitness, giving workout tips, nutrition advice, and suggestions for fitness equipment. Travel, writing reviews of places to go, giving travel advice, and suggesting travel gear. Getting the right affiliate programs. After you pick a niche, the next step is to look for affiliate programs that fit with your content and audience. There are many different affiliate programs out there, and each one has its own rates of commission, products, and terms of service. Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates is one of the most popular affiliate programs. It has a lot of products in a lot of different categories, but the commission rates may not be as high as those of other programs. Share. A-Sale is a big affiliate network with a lot of different merchants, including those who sell both physical and digital goods. ClickBank. ClickBank is a site that sells digital goods like ebooks, online courses, and software. It usually pays more in commissions than Amazon Associates. CJ Affiliate, also known as Commission Junction, is another big affiliate network that works with a lot of well-known brands and merchants. Specific product or service affiliate programs. A lot of businesses have their own affiliate programs. Look into companies in your niche to see if they have an affiliate program. When choosing affiliate programs, think about these things. Relevance. Pick programs that sell goods or services that are useful to your niche and audience. Commission rates. Look at the different programs' commission rates and see how they compare. Quality of the product. Make sure that the goods or services you are promoting are of high quality and meet the needs of your audience. Terms of payment. Look over the payment terms, such as the minimum payout amount and the ways to pay. Terms of use. Read the terms of service so you know what the rules are and how to follow them. Writing interesting and useful content. Making content that is interesting, high quality, and speaks to your audience is the key to success on YouTube. Your videos should be interesting, fun, and easy on the eyes. Ideas for content. Product reviews. Write honest and fair reviews of products in your niche. How-to videos. Make videos that show people how to use a product or service. Side-by-side comparisons of different products or services. Unboxing videos. Open up new things and tell people what you think of them. Case studies. Give examples from real life of how you've used a product or service. Advice for making videos. Good sound and video. Get a good camera and microphone. Use B-roll footage, animations, and text overlays to keep viewers interested. Use clear and simple language. Don't use jargon. Call to action. Get people to click on your affiliate links and do something. Building trust. Be open and honest with the people you talk to. Be honest about your affiliate relationships and only suggest products or services that you really believe in. Making your videos better for search and discovery. It's important to optimize your videos for search and discovery so that they can reach as many people as possible. This means putting the right keywords in the titles, descriptions, and tags of your videos. Keyword research. Use tools like Google, Keyword Planner, TubeBuddy, or vidIQ to find keywords that are relevant, have a lot of searches, and aren't too competitive. Video titles. Make sure your video titles are interesting and include the keywords you want to target. Video descriptions. Include your affiliate links in your video descriptions, which should be long and full of information that gives a summary of the video. Video tags. Use tags that are related to your video to help YouTube figure out what it's about. How to get more views on your videos. It's important to promote your videos on other sites as well as make them easier to find in search engines. Social media. Post your videos on sites like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Email marketing. Make a list of people who want to get your emails and let them know when you upload new videos. Collaboration. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche to cross-promote each other's channels. Paid advertising. Think about using paid ads to get your message out to more people. Tracking and analyzing your results. You need to keep track of and analyze your results if you want to keep getting better at YouTube affiliate marketing. You can get useful information about how your videos are doing on YouTube analytics, such as how many views they get, how long people watch them, how long they stay on the page, and where the traffic comes from. Important numbers, views. How many times people have watched your video. Time watched. The total amount of time people have spent watching your video. Audience retention. The number of people who watch your video all the way through. The click-through rate, CTR, is the number of people who click on your affiliate links. Conversion rate. The number of people who click on your affiliate links and then buy something. Look at the data. You can find out what's working and what's not by looking at the data from YouTube Analytics. To get better results, try out different types of content, ways to optimize it, and ways to promote it. Being consistent and patient. Affiliate marketing on YouTube is not a way to get rich quickly. Building a successful channel and making a steady income stream takes time, work, and consistency. Be patient, stay focused, and keep making good content that your audience will find useful. The end, people who are willing to put in the time and effort can realistically make $1,000 a month with YouTube affiliate marketing. You can turn your YouTube channel into a successful affiliate marketing engine by picking a profitable niche, finding the right affiliate programs, making great content, optimizing your videos for search and discovery, promoting your channel, and keeping track of your results. For long-term success, you need to be consistent, patient, and dedicated to giving your audience value.